How to fill address in Shopify. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Shopify admin and then click on the three lines at the top left of the screen. Then click on settings at the bottom left of the screen. And once you're here, click on store details. And from the address section, click on the edit button next to it. And here you will be able to add the address starting from the country/region using the drop down to the address, street address, then the apartment/suite, and then the postal code, and finally the city. Once you have added your address, for example, let me show you. Once you have added your address and fill in these fields, click on the save button at the top left of the screen to save the changes. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add your address in Shopify store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.